Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Firefox error SAC underscore error underscore bad underscore signature and Windows. So this error occurs when the browser struggles to verify a website's security certificate, blocking access to the page and leaving users stuck with a secure connections failed message. And some reasons, typically due to certificate mismatch, antivirus interference, corrupted certificate files, and outdated system. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Firefox cache. So all you have to do is open up on Firefox browser and on upper right corner and then click the menu button and then this three horizontal line, and then next step, so scroll down and then select settings on left side menu, and then you need to select privacy and security, and on right side and then scroll down and then we need to find and locate this cookies and site data. And then all you have to do is to clear this data. On right side, you can see this clear data button and then click. And then pop-ups this clear browsing data and cookies. So here in when, then click this arrow and then click everything. And then next step, so check this cookies and site data and temporary cache files and page. So check this two box and then next, you can see here the clear and then top. So once it's done here, and the other solutions we will do is to update the Firefox to the latest versions of Firefox browser. So same here at Firefox browser. And then on our upper right corner and then click the menu button, three horizontal line. And then next step, so scroll down and then select help. So here at Firefox help and then you need to select about Firefox. So click and pop up this Firefox browser. So you can see here that we need to restart to update this browser. Alright, so once it's done, for restart and then close, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to remove the proxy settings from Firefox browser. So same procedure, all you have to do is to open up on Firefox web browser. And on upper right corner and then click the menu button, these three horizontal lines. And then next step, so you need to select this settings. So at left side menu and then you need to select general, and on right side and then scroll down and then we need to find and locate this network settings at the bottom menu. And then next step, so you can see here the settings button and then click. And then pop-ups this connection settings. So under at configure proxy access to the internet, and then you need to select this no proxy. And then next step, so you need to click this OK. Alright, so once it's done here, then we need to close. And then we need to restart this PC. So click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Firefox error SAC underscore error underscore bad underscore signature and Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.